Hey guys, so today we're going to try out the SizArt Acrylic color paints. I also got this canvas. I hope everyone is doing good. So let's open up the box. We have this little tip guide here. You can learn how to paint trees and what different brushes to use and little tips and tricks. So a nice little handy guide right here. Alright, so there is 20 different colors. Here's a nice yellow, fluorescent yellow, they call it. So let me take the paints out and we'll try some and see how they are for anyone looking for paints for their projects. So this black here is Mars Black. You might remember the skeleton lady carving. You can check that video out. Link will be in the description. This is titanium white. Okay, royal purple. This one says silver but looks blue. That's interesting. We have lilac ash, and wait, this one says silver as well. Okay, must be label error. These two here, lemon yellow and fluorescent orange, and I guess here regular orange. I have apple green, fluorescent yellow, and some other greens. Koala Gray, and some other blues here. So very nice variety of colors. So previously I've used these apple barrel paints, so we can compare these with the SizArt paints. Okay, so let's test them out. Here are two whites. Let's see how they cover on wood. Yep. Alright, here's the SizArt white, and not really covering too well. Okay. Let me rinse the brush off, and now trying the other white, and right away I'm liking the white paint from Apple Barrel better. Just covers well, you see here. It covers the wood better. So I'm not sure why the SizArt is very light. May need multiple coats. Let me shake it up more to see if that helps, since these are new. Shaking it really well. Here we go, and same result. Very light cover. Alright, let's compare the black colors. So here's the SizArt Mars Black. And this is covering nicely and seems smooth too. I wonder why the white seems different. Anyways, let's compare with the other black paint I usually use. Just a little dab. Try off the paintbrush. Alright, let's compare the two. And yep, just as good. Covers very comparable. I think the SizArt applies smoother. Yep, so I like these two. Alright, so let's see how they blend together with the SizArt black paint. Yep, so it seems to work real well. Alright, washing off the black, and let me try the white again. Let's see how it goes on top. And let's try to blend it together. Yeah, it doesn't it's weird, it just doesn't cover like the black does. I've mixed it up really well and everything, so I don't know, maybe an off batch of white, who knows. But let's try pavement and Koala Gray of the SizArt. So a dab of each. Koala Gray. That seems to go on very nicely. So I'm not sure what was up with the white. So that's a nice color, that Koala Gray. Here's the pavement color. And both are very nice colors. Go on great. Alright, so great set with all these colors. The white so far is my least favorite. Okay, let's see these two that say silver, which obviously is a label error. Okay, shaking well. And this one here is some kind of sky blue, I guess. Yeah, alright. So that's like a bluish color. Okay, and yes, this is a silver. So just the wrong label on these, I guess. So just a little mistake. No big deal. Colors are nice. So how about try another color? Carmine Red. Shake it up. Yep, little dab. And spread it on. Very nice looking color. Great color. Covers well. Alright. I like the colors. So, okay, have this canvas here. I want to show how the paint applies to this in a small area in the corner, so you guys can check that out. So let's see. Use a little bit of white. Shake it up some more. So this is titanium white, so it's going to come on there. You'll see it come on the white canvas because it has a little bit of a grayish tint to it. Alright, let's apply it on. Rub it in there. And the canvas holds the paint real nicely. Alright. Let's rinse this off and try a different color. Alright, let's try some of this Carmine Red again. Alright, applying very smoothly. So the canvas works great. Let's see some blending in here with the white. Blend it into the white, make it a lighter red. So it's messing around, showing you guys how the paint works on this canvas. Alright, let's see what else we got. How about some gold? Let's put some gold around the red. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Little dab of gold and well, goes on real good. So I would say this is a great set of paints. Alright, so I'll be using these paints in future carvings and maybe do an actual painting on the canvas. I don't know, would you guys like to see that? So I use these acrylic paint brushes. Nice little set. You can check out the rest of the painting of this vintage skeleton lady. That video is out already if you haven't checked that out yet. And I'll leave this paint in my Amazon store. Link will be in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like if you haven't yet, and subscribe as well. And I'll catch you later. Bye.